If Pixlr is showing an error 404, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing fast. Whether the problem is caused by a temporary loading issue, a bad saved bookmark, cached browser data, or an outdated browser version, these simple steps can usually solve it in just a few minutes. And if this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, try a normal refresh. This is the simplest fix, and it often works when a page just fails to load correctly. On your keyboard, press F5 if you're on Windows, or use Ctrl+R. On Mac, you can refresh with Command+R. Give Pixlr a few seconds to reload and see if the error disappears. If that does not fix it, move on to a hard refresh. A hard refresh forces your browser to reload the page without relying on stored cached files that may be causing the problem. To do this, right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect. This opens your browser's developer tools. Now, find the reload button near the address bar, right-click it, and select Empty Cache and Hard Reload. This is especially helpful if Pixlr is loading an outdated or broken version of the page. Next, try opening Pixlr directly instead of using a bookmark. Sometimes a saved bookmark can point to an outdated link or a page that no longer exists. Instead of clicking the bookmark, open a new tab and type the Pixlr website address manually into the browser. Make sure the URL is entered correctly, then press Enter. If the site loads normally this way, the issue was likely with the saved link ink. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to clear Pixlr site data. This removes stored cookies and cache data that may be interfering with the website. Click the padlock icon or site controls next to the address bar, then open site settings, or look for cookies and site data, depending on your browser. From there, click Clear Data. After that, reload the page and try Pixlr again. This often fixes stubborn loading issues caused by corrupted site data. Another important fix is to update your browser. An outdated browser can sometimes have compatibility problems with web apps like Pixlr. Open your browser menu, go to Help, then click About. Your browser will check for updates automatically. If an update is available, install it and then restart the browser. Once it opens again, go back to Pixlr and test it one more time. If the page still isn't working, repeat the steps in order. Refresh first, then hard refresh, then check the URL, then clear site data, and finally update the browser. In most cases, one of those fixes will solve the Pixlr Error 404 and get the site loading properly again. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.